Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to do some maintenance for our motorcycle change. When we're talking about maintenance, changing the oil of course is one of the important thing, but don't neglect the maintenance of the change. Your motorcycle change is also very important. If you always clean it and maintain it well, it will prolong the lifespan of your change. Let's get started now. So these are the tools that we use: WD-40 and the brush. Có gọi là bên có gì không? Đâu là cái chỗ thủng là với kilo nên lên. So this is the chain loops that we use. Mano. So this is how we do our change maintenance. If you got better idea on how to do it, do share with us at the comment below. And that's the change grease that we are using. If you got better one, also share with us at the comment below. And remember to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.